beautiful. Okay, here we go. What is this? Besides the box, besides the paper, the cardboard around the box, there's another piece of plastic. They really protect their packaging. And again, that is in another language. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. Florasis, cordyceps, sinensis, and ginseng cleansing balm. I don't remember that, but look how pretty. I don't remember, or that must have been a part of the whole kit. Look at the key. That's to get the cleansing cream out. I'm not going to open that right now. But you see that? Isn't that beautiful? It's like a rose gold. It's very ornately engraved. And this same, just beautiful. Oh goodness, this is quite luxurious. I think I'm going to have to clear off my whole dresser. And put all this stuff out. Next. Oh my gosh, here's another. There's so much in this, I don't even know how I'm going to get through it all. Okay, there's another one. I'm just looking at all the places I'm going to need to cut it just to get in. Okay. Ah! It's another sponge. I'm going to save that. Yeah, I'm going to save that for someone. It's going to be a gift. That's too nice. I don't need more than one. Alright. Here's another thing that I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna know because there's the writing. It's some sort of Asian writing. I think this is Korean, y'all. I think so. Y'all, there is no English anywhere on this. So this is clearly a brand that is already recognized and appreciated in other countries, especially Asian countries. I don't know which ones. I will go and do more research on this, and I'll also do links below of where I got all this so that you'll be like, Beth, you're sitting here telling us you are doing this unboxing of something you have no idea what it is. How does that help us if we like it? So I'll do some research and put some links up in case you're interested. And you also, wow, look at these boxes. Look how it looks almost like it's very engraved. That's not just a picture. That's like imprinted on there, y'all. I don't know if you can see that. That's just the outer box. Amazing. Okay, let's get to the inner box again. Here we go. That one was a little easier to get in. Oh, I did order the perfume. Look at this. Can you see that up close? I'm going to try to block out the background. That is so beautiful. Look down into it. Look at the engraving. Look at this gold work. And look at this beautiful, like emerald, like it's almost like an emerald on top. It's got the Asian writing right there, and on this side it's just got beautiful engravings. And it says Florasis Balancing Fitting Liquid Foundation. Oh my gosh, this is makeup. It's just foundation. It's mine. Why don't I just do a squirt? Okay. Okay, can you imagine having foundation that nice and that pretty? Well, that's a lot. I think that would have been for the whole face, y'all. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yep. Wow, that's going to go well. It's a little yellow tinted. What do y'all think? I think if I put that on me, it would be too yellow. So what I would have to do in order to keep this, and I am going to keep this, for one thing, I'm not about to pay to ship it back to another country that far away, because the shipping would be too much. What you can do is go ahead and get the coverage out of it, and then tone it with your own stuff. Or you can mix it with your own foundation, really. It's very yellow based. Which that's good if you have red skin. Like if you have rosacea or something, you want a yellow base or a peach base to cancel out that color. So I'm not against using this. For sure, it's brightening. Do I look like I have a little white chin? I can't help it. I can't see that good in the monitor, so I have no idea what I look like right now. I'll just keep going for fun. Okay. What else do we have? That's another little box. Let's open it. Y'all, a lot came in these boxes. I just ordered the set. But I've never seen such a beautiful set. And I'm going to take a picture and put it on Instagram of what this looks like once I get my dresser cleaned up. Here's the funny thing. I can't tell what this is by just looking at it because it's in another language. So I have no choice but to open it and figure it out. It's like a puzzle box. Oops. But I don't want to mess up the boxes by cutting it. And it's almost like you have to get into it. There it goes. You have to cut the plastic at least. Now I have to admit it does open pretty easily. Again, this beautiful jewel surrounded by what looks like to me peacock feathers or pheasant feathers or whatever, but it's in this beautiful emerald teal. And let's see what this is. This is one of those going to be hard to get in. What you have to do is get right in the end and open a pair of scissors and stick them in there and lift it out like that. Because when they do it so tight like that, there is no getting in. Alright, let's see. Now once we get in there, what's in here? Come on, come on. Okay, let's see what's in here. What is that? Oh my gosh, this is a compact. Is that gorgeous, y'all? It is. It's a compact. Look at that. Would never put that in my purse and mess all that up. As I was going to lunch with my girlfriends, and I'd be sure and take it in my purse and go, excuse me, I need to freshen myself. How do you open it? I don't see how to open it, y'all. I can't get in. I'm not about to mess this up. Y'all, as I've gotten older, I don't have strength in my hands like I used to, and I can't get in this. But I think it's a compact. It's too hard. I mean, to be able to get in there. Oh my gosh. If I use this, it'll scratch it. Let me see. Let me just see. Oh, I don't want to scratch it. I can't get in. I don't understand packaging with people, why they make things so hard to get into. I am scratching it. I can't get in. See that thing right there? You would think you push down on that and pull up. I can't. I can't. I can't get in it. Oh my gosh. I'm not giving up. Dang blasted. You listen to me, you little case. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna get in. I am going to get in. And it is going to scratch it bad if I do. So I'm going to kind of go into the back. Nope. It won't let me in, y'all. I'm so ticked. I'm going to have to get my husband's help to even get in this. Oh, and when you look down in this little jewel, there's something written in there in that language. Yeah, there's signs. Why? You would think if you press this, you can get in, right? Like you pop it. It's not that. It's just a place for you to put your thumb. And it almost opens. Yes! Okay! Okay! I don't know what he just said, but I think it has something to do. I can't hear you! Hold on! Alright, wait. I'm almost in. Look, I'm almost in. What is this? Oh my gosh, look. It's a pressed powder puff. There's a mirror. Of course, it's covered. And look at this beautiful teal blue puff. What is this? I don't know. Look. I don't know what that is, so we'll hold on to it a second. Let me just mash this in here. I think it should be powder. It is. It's powder. Okay, hold on. What do y'all think? Wow, y'all, that is so beautiful. And they have this on top of the powder to keep the powder from getting on this. Is that the most beautiful packaging you have ever seen? I think this is just stunning.
No, my wife's the most beautiful package I've ever seen.
Babe, you're on video.
Well, now everybody knows.
What do y'all think? I think it looks good, y'all. That is just stunning. I almost don't want to close it, though, because I'm afraid I won't be able to get in it. Okay, let's keep going, because we got to hurry. All right, so here's another one of these. What did I do? Oh, my gosh, y'all. This may take 7 videos. I can't even get into all of it. That was beautiful. Everything, foundation. Look at this. Just the foundation and powder. You know me. Love it. Okay, so let's get back in this. Let's get in it. Let's see what's in here. Y'all, I can't wait to do a makeup tutorial with this stuff because there's just no telling how good this stuff is. If they give this much care to their packaging on the outside and the inside, imagine the product itself. Okay, this has got a specialty opening. So let's just see. Okay, first of all, it comes with this powder puff. Is this another powder puff? Well, it sure is. I guess this is more for your purse. What's the difference? They are different. This one's flatter. This one's thicker. That's more like powder foundation. This is more like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not going to be as hard to open. It's not at all. Look, I will never use this. Look at this powder. It's a peacock. Can you see that? Why in the world would you ever use something this beautiful? Can you believe that? Y'all, that's stunning. I can't make myself use that. That's beautiful, but I would put it in my purse if I'm going to lunch with my girlfriends. Just to let them see it. And let's look at the powder puff. What's pretty? There's no way I'd put that on top of that. Wow, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, so there's this.